channel, the Baking Diva. Well, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I have my little heart tree here with me in the video. Now, think about it. You know, some people celebrate it, some people don't. But when we do, what do we usually give our loved ones, friends, significant others? Usually what? Flowers, maybe candy. Well, what about our furry friends? Don't they get anything? Well, those of you that follow me know that I have a 7-month-old puppy. She's a Cockapoo, and she's a handful, and her name is Cinnamon. I wore my shirt today in honor of her. It says, God knew my heart needed love. And here's Cinnamon. Her name's on the bottom. It says, so he sent me my dog. Isn't that cute? Yes, after my husband passed away in April, I felt very sad, to say the least. And I just decided that I wanted to get a puppy. Well, I didn't know what I was in for, because I just wanted this little sweet, quiet lap dog to keep me company. And what did I get? I don't know what to call her. She's, let's just say she's a lot of work. She's a handful. But I still love her. I'm still holding out hope with a little more training that she'll act a little better. I think now she's going into her teenage stage. But anyway, enough of that. Oh, and before I continue, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. It doesn't cost anything. All it does is help my channel to grow, and you don't miss my future videos. Just have to hit that subscribe, and that's it. So anyway, without further ado, I went to Aldi's the other day, and they happened to put a brand new one less than a mile from my house, a few months ago. So I was thrilled. And I should tell you, I didn't know if it was Aldi's or Aldi's, so I looked it up, and I'll give you a little trivia. It's actually Aldi's, and it is owned by a German family, and their last name is Albrecht. So the name came from the beginning of their name, all, and then the D came from, what I understand, discount. So it was like they put it together, all discount. So that's what that's how Aldi got their name, all and discount, from the owner's last names and discount. So anyway, you know, there's Aldi's all over the country, and I still get confused because a lot of times I call it Aldi's, but it is Aldi's. And when I was in there last week, I was walking through the frozen food department, and I went, whoa, where's that? Now, maybe for some of you, and maybe the Aldi's near you, this isn't new. But for me, I've never seen it before, so it is brand new for me. And this is what I saw. This box, it's frozen, and the brand name is Heart to Tail. And it says Heart to Tail is a pet food brand sold exclusively at Aldi's stores in the United States. They offer a variety of products for dogs and cats, including wet and dry food, as well as other treats. So I saw this, and it came 4 in the box, and it said on it, frozen dog treats. You got 2 original and 2 cheese and bacon. And I thought, I wonder if Cinnamon will like that. And they're like little Dixie cups. You keep them in the freezer. And it says on it, there's no artificial preservatives. They're individual little tubs, and they're gluten-free. ice cream style treats for your dog. So I can't recall the price, to be honest with you. They weren't expensive. So I decided to buy 2 boxes of them, which I did. All right. So I know they say the brand, it's called Heart to Tail. I thought that was cute. They focus mainly on affordable options for pet owners. They're known for providing high quality foods for your pets at affordable prices. All these frozen dog treats, they say, are crafted with pup-safe, friendly ingredients, making it a guilt-free indulgence for your canine companion. So whether it's a hot summer day or they just deserved a yummy treat, this frozen treat, they say, is sure to keep their tail wagging even faster. Okay. So what I decided to do, I opened the box already. Let me take it out and show you what it looks like. Whoops. Each one is in a little Dixie cup. This happens to be the original flavor. It says original frozen dog treat. And it has a cover on it like yogurt does, and you peel it off and you give it to the dog frozen. Just like, you know, they sell those lick mats now and stuff that you can put peanut butter on, or yogurt, fruit, and freeze it, and then you give it to your dog, and it takes them a while to lick it. It's good exercise for them and keeps them busy. And boy, do I need to keep her busy. So, what else does it say? Oh, each one is 4 3/5 fluid ounces. Tells you obviously to keep them frozen. The heart to tail philosophy is your pets are more than just companions. They are part of your family, and that is so true. We know selecting the right dog food for them is an important decision to Heart to Tail. And they're dedicated to supporting your pet's well-being so they can lead a healthy, strong, and happy life. Makes sense, right? And for the instructions, it says feeding instructions. Remove the lid from the tub and feed as a treat to your dog. Keep them frozen until served. Wash hands after handling any dog treats. And always provide plenty of fresh drinking water for your furry friends. It does say on it, even though it looks like you want to eat it, it does say it's not for human consumption, and keep out of the reach of children and other animals. Okay, so that's it. Heart to Tail frozen dog treats. So at this point, I think what I want to do is open one of these. I'm going to head on over to my upstairs family room that now has been turned into doggy daycare. There's a doggy playpen in there. Oh my gosh, there's a crate. There's a toy box. But I won't show you the little hole that she chewed into the bottom of my love seat. But it is what it is. She's a puppy. We're trying to get on top of it. I'm planning on maybe a few more puppy lessons for her by a trainer. And hopefully she'll calm down soon. Also, I'm having her spayed the beginning of April. So maybe that will calm her down. I don't know. So don't go away. I'm going to take the camera, going to head into the family room, and I'm going to put this down for her. She can push them all the way around the room while she's licking. So I try to put it maybe in a little bowl. And we'll see what Cinnamon thinks. So Stay tuned. Look, Cinnamon, look what Mommy has for you. Look, Cinnamon, look. Oh, are you going to have some ice cream? Do you want some ice cream? Okay, I'm going to take you out of your little playpen. Come over here. Come here. Over here. That's the sign that says, welcome to Cinnamon's dog cave. Okay, I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to take her out, and let's see if she likes it. Something tells me she's going to. Oh, and for those of you that follow me, she got groomed the other day, so she looks like a different dog. The other day, she looked like a Muppet. She had so much curly hair. Now she got it made shorter, so she looks different. And you can actually, oh, she's scratching, actually see her eyes now. Okay, Cinnamon, I'm putting it down. Wait a minute. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to let her out, and let's see what she thinks. Come here, Cinnamon. Want to go try some ice cream? All right, wait, getting excited? You getting excited? You want ice cream? Let me open the door with one hand. Hold on. Okay, go get it. Go get your ice cream. Go get it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Let me go around the other way. I think she does. Is that good? Oh, yes. Let me zoom in a little. I think Cinnamon's going to give it a 10. I think so. Let me pull over a chair so I can sit down while I'm filming her. She's getting big. She was 5 pounds when I got her, and now she's about 15. I hope she's not going to be more than 20, because her dad was a mini poodle, and he was only, I think, like 13 pounds, and her mother was a Cocker Spaniel, and her mother was 19 pounds. Cinnamon, 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 let me see, is it good? Oh, do you like your ice cream? Oh, yes. Well, she's not coming up for air, so I think she likes it. Yes, this is her playpen here. We put it together. We got one that was a little bit higher because I don't want to have any chances of her jumping out of it, and so far so good. I know that there's a lot of people that bought the playpen and they came about maybe a foot lower, and their little rascals are climbing out of there. So lucky I went with the taller one. And basically we turned this room into doggy daycare for now. That's a piece of linoleum we bought to put under the playpen, so in case she had an accident, it wouldn't ruin the rug. But she's all house trained now. We have bells on the door, and she learned how to go right over to that door and ring the bells when she wants to go out. So we've had no accidents in the house. Over here is just a little toy box of hers where we have some of her toys, and oh, lots more, lots more. How is it, Cinnamon? Hey, Cinnamon, let me get down by her. Cinnamon, look at Mommy. Oh, Cinnamon, is it good? Oh, she's not coming up for air. So anyway, if you're near an Aldi store, I would say give these a try, because I'll come back in a couple of minutes when she's done, and I think the cup will be empty, because she is looking like she's enjoying it. We'll be right back, Cinnamon. Cinnamon, can you look at me for one last picture? Oh, let me come around the other side. Can you come up for air, Cinnamon? Look at Mommy. Cinnamon, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? I think we can end the video, because this is seriously the taste testing. And I think we can give this really a 10, maybe even more, because she likes this ice cream. Right, Cinnamon? Mommy's going to buy you more when she goes to Aldi's. So anyway, thanks everyone for watching. You know, I appreciate you all. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Wait, let me see what she's going to do. Is she going to look up at the camera? Can you look at the camera? Okay. She's not taking any chances. So anyway, thanks for watching. We're in New Jersey, and once again, we have freezing rain, ice, snow. It's become an everyday thing. And so wherever you are, if you have the same, stay warm. And I'm going to let her finish her ice cream. And I will see you all very soon. Let's say goodbye. Say bye. Cinnamon, say bye. Bye-bye.